In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to switch from e-filing to file by mail. Let's get started. So first, if e-filing is not available for your return, you'll need to print it and send it by mail instead. Just keep in mind that for security reasons, TurboTax cannot mail your return to you or the IRS, so you'll need to handle the printing yourself. If you don't have a printer at home, you can use a library, a print and ship store, or even a friend's computer to get it done. Before you print, make sure you have Adobe Reader installed. Since your return will open in a PDF format, most PC already have it, but it's good to double check. Once you are ready, go to turbotax.com on a PC with a printer and sign into your account. Open your return, then click on File. When you reach the e-file screen, select Change and choose File by Mail instead. After that, your return will open in Adobe Reader, where you can either print it directly or save it to a USB drive and print it somewhere else. And that's it. That's how you can print and mail your tax return using TurboTax. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.